some more drawers. I'm just a girl. Y'all, I got a blister. Like, Lord, it's just me putting it together. Look at it from the glass. This is her. Call me Bob the Builder. What it do, Mi Amore Gang? It's your girl Bianca, and we are back with a new video. If you're new here, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. So hit that notification button so you get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause I sure gonna see me. What it do, gang? Today is Saturday. I started not to record. Cause you know I'll be trying to plan my stuff out, and sometimes I just feel like I be thinking too much in it where I talk myself out of it. We are getting ready to set up my vanity. Well, I already put it together. I purchased me a vanity from Amazon, right? Nice. I got a blister right there on my hand. We're putting this thing together. This whole part right here is like sore and numb. My body is sore. It took me all day yesterday, and it probably wouldn't took me that long, but some stuff I was just kind of unsure about, and I'm just like, Lord, it's just me putting it together. I'm just a girl. But call me Bob the Builder, because baby, I put her together all by myself. It took all day, but I did it by myself. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. But we have an issue. Okay, y'all, so this is her. She's nice. The shells. Then it has like an outlet for you. And this little thing here. You see the marble. Nice. Have your drawer. That drawer. So we have this nice, pretty mirror. This the issue. My light don't work. This supposed to light up. It don't work. And I done tapped it, pressed it hard as I can, as I thought I was, pressing it. It's not working. I contacted the seller, waiting for somebody to respond back to me. We're gonna figure it out. And it's like, I done put this whole thing together for my light do not work. I'm inconvenienced. So you expect me to undo all of this and send it back? I'm just inconvenienced. Like, I wish somebody could tell me what to do about my light, or give me some money back. Something. It's the glass top. We got some more drawers. You can put stuff in there, which we will do together. Isn't she cute? She's nice. I really don't want to be in here. So that's why I had to bring my ring light over here, so I can have more light. I ain't got it up too high right now. But only thing else I know I definitely have to get me a chair. This is my cute vanity. So this piece here is connected to the vanity, but I can unplug that because, like I said, it's not working. And this cord here, goes to that. And that white cord is, that for that plugging that outlet. But since I can't use this, I'm just gonna take it out so we can use this space. Now we're about to stock her up. Okay, y'all, so we have already styled my shelves with just about all my perfumes. I got my travel size still over there on my shelf over there. So this is just the top shelf. I kind of try to color coordinate it, but that's what we're working with. And I just put my Sol de Janeiro's right here. I don't know what else. I actually don't know what I'm going to use this spot for. I just got that there for now. I want to work on this top half. I tried to do these drawers. But honestly, I think I want this top drawer. I definitely know I want some skincare in here. Okay, y'all. So I got this little tray. Well, I've been had this right here. Just repurposing some stuff before I have to go out and buy some things. Hopefully I don't have to go out and buy anything. But I just got this tray and I wiped it out. So I'm going to sit it in this drawer here. I have to sit it this way, as y'all can see. And I got my towelettes, cotton things in here. I don't know what else I'm going to, do. Okay, y'all, so this is what we are working with now. I'm not sure if everything really gonna stay. Well, I do like this right here for sure. I don't know if I'm gonna eventually get me some more, get another container or something, or get something so this don't get messed up. Put something down. But we just have my facial towels. I really want me some cotton rounds, so I'm gonna get some of them because this is what I wash my face with. Q-tips, and I just put some toner, my hyaluronic acid, and some serum, toner, my snail mucin, some mist spray, my Nivea cream, this Laneige sleep mask, Black Girl sunscreen, lip stuff, eye stuff. So my whole thing for this is so like after I wash my face, I can come and sit down at my vanity and finish, my skincare. So now we at the second drawer. I'm not sure. Let me play around some things and see what I want. I don't know if I want makeup to go in here or some hair stuff. I don't know. Hey y'all, so it's some time. I took a break or whatever, but we're back at it. Now we're working on the second drawer, which is this drawer here. Okay, y'all, so I just put my scrunchies here. I don't have anything really to put here right now. I guess I'm gonna just have to leave it until I can figure something out. I did add this here with my makeup brushes. I got more makeup brushes. I just need to clean them. I feel like everything is coming along. Love this. Love this. I used to have more makeup than this. Y'all, makeup is scarce, but child, I don't even be wearing makeup like this, so it's cool. I got some more makeup that I'm gonna put out on the other side. My little hair thing, and I just put my extra makeup palettes. This ain't much, I don't be doing much to my hair, so simple. And I got some of my other stuff in the closet. So this is how I decided to style this side. Lipsticks. These are just some matte and sheer lipstick, lip glosses, powders. It's just something I just put together. I just like how that looks. But you see primer, lipstick, eyeshadow, blushes, eyeshadow. This is a highlighter. And these just are liquid lipsticks. And this is empty. So I got to figure out what I'm going to put there. When you look at it from the glass. Cute. Empty. So this is what I came up for this side of my side. Y'all, it is like a week or two later. I showed y'all this side. So now we're going to do this side. And it's not really much or nothing. Scrunchies, nail polish, lotion, some shimmer, some shower gel, shower gel and lotion, some concealers, some pressed powder, And this is some finishing powder. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. This is in there. I just put this there. I don't know if I showed y'all this already, but just, you know, letting y'all know. And this is my Alexa. I have it plugged up back there, plugged into the wall. And, you know, that's the cord for my mirror. Y'all, Amazon did not contact me back. Okay, as I was saying, Amazon still haven't contacted me back. I need to figure out how to get in contact with somebody so I can be compensated, you know? And I'm still waiting for my stepdad to come and look at it. Because I want to be able to use my light. But other than that, it has been, you know, holding up pretty good. You know, just making sure I clean this, you know, weekly. Cleaning the mirror and stuff. Y'all, I look a mess, y'all. I don't really want to show myself. But, yeah, so I told y'all I had to have this ring light here so I can have some light. But other than that, this is what she's looking like. The light is pretty good, but I feel like it's like a dark shadow right here. I need to get my ring light to kind of bend down some. But yeah, because it's look dark right here. I might have to move my ring light over here when I film. I don't know. I guess I have to go back and see how this looks. And I'm now just trying to close it out because I'm about to finish editing so it can be up for tomorrow, which is May the 3rd. Yeah, May the 3rd, because today is May the 2nd. It's Saturday. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:56 p.m.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please, y'all, if y'all know how I can get in contact with Amazon or how I can get in contact with the seller that I purchased this Vanity from, please drop down your comments down below so I can know, because your girl needs to be compensated. But that wraps up for today's video. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.